Now, on the flip side of that, if the check engine light is flashing, that is a totally different story. A flashing check engine light means that we have a cylinder misfire in the engine. Imagine one cylinder in your engine isn't burning fuel properly. Instead of the fuel being burned in the engine, the raw fuel travels through to your catalytic converter. Now the catalytic converter has to deal with the fuel that it was never designed to deal with. The converter overheats. Temperatures inside a converter can climb well over 800 degrees Celsius inside that converter. That's enough to permanently damage one of the most expensive emission components on the vehicle. What might have started as a relatively inexpensive spark plug replacement or ignition coil replacement can quickly turn into a repair that would cost you potentially thousands of dollars. That's why I tell my clients a solid check engine light says, please book an appointment. A flashing check engine light says, please pull over and make arrangements to get the vehicle towed as soon as possible. Here's another myth.